Hi guys, I don't want to bore you with plain theory, but before we start preparing environment and creating first test, let's just refresh our memory about what are web services. If you try to search online what are web services, you can find different definitions and they may seem not clear and easy to understand, but let me try to explain in simple words. Web service is many things, but you can think of it as, let's say, a web page that can be called from the application, like another web page or desktop application or even phone application. And the caller will send data to the server or receive data from it. And all those applications can be written in different programming languages. It doesn't matter to web service. So basically, it's software service used to communicate between two devices on a network. There are two main types of web services: SOAP and RESTful web services. Let's talk more about them in the next lecture.